Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Today I'm going to show you how to factory reset your new PlayStation 5. Let's get started. First thing we need to do is click on the settings icon at the top right corner. Once in settings, we are going to scroll down to System. You will see System Software. Then we will click to the right and go down to Reset Options. Here you will have three options. We are going to click on Reset Your Console. Here it says all users and all data will be deleted. Console sharing and offline play will be disabled for all users on this PlayStation 5. And if you wish to reset, all you have to do is click X on Reset. Once you do that, your system will restart. That is all I have for today. If this video was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, consider supporting this channel by subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.